A new round of scientific and technological revolution and industrial transformations are booming at present. New changes await China's equipment manufacturing industry. Innovation has become the winning formula for companies. Innovative Kaitai, leading and specialist. Shandong Kaitai Group focuses on the research and development of the wheel blast and air blast technology. Adhering to the concept of leading technology and professionalism, the company diversifies into the entire field of metal surface treatment. Now Kaitai has industries of the intelligent wheel blast equipment, metal abrasive, air blowers, environmental protection equipment, abrasion-resistant castings, corrosion-resistant new materials, biomass power plant, etc. With leading technology and professional service, Kaitai becomes the industry leader. Since her establishment in 2001, Shandong Kaitai Group has made multiple innovations and breakthroughs to continuously refresh her industry's awareness. Expanding global business with leading technology and professionalism boosts Kaitai's overtaking around the curve in the international industry. As a national high-tech enterprise, China Metal Abrasive Production Base, Shandong Province High-End Equipment Manufacturing Industrial Park, Shandong Province's first Gazelle Demonstration Enterprise, first prize in Shandong Province Science and Technology Progress Award, Steel Shot and Steel Grit National Standard Setter, Kaitai takes the lead with outstanding strength. Innovation and transformation make Kaitai a leader, while ingenuity and persistence make Kaitai professional. Commanding the highest standards in the industry, Kaitai has the confidence to embrace the world. International Kaitai Lean Production. From Kaitai manufacturing to Kaitai creation, Kaitai Group adheres to the strategy of expanding globally, acquiring a batch of global companies with reputable brands. Currently, Kaitai has Airblast in Holland, Cybrandy in Holland, Humpline in Australia, Blastman in Finland. As her wholly owned subsidiaries, Kaitai products are distributed to more than 60 countries and regions worldwide, with subsidiaries in 12 countries. The large-scale emergence of Kaitai Blue in the international industry benefits from the company's first-class production process. Kaitai Group will carry out informatization and digitization throughout all production links and management details, standardize production management, and fully interface with international standards. Kaitai speedily ranks among the world's top brands, driving further the development and progress for the metal surface treatment industries globally. Intelligent Kaitai, harmonious growth. Kaitai has formed a globally competitive talent team, including experts, professors, senior engineers, skilled personnel groups, etc., perfectly demonstrating leadership and professionalism. High-end talents ensure outstanding leadership. Kaitai has experts of China's 1,000 Talents Plan, leading talents of Changjiang scholars, Taishan scholars, and other top industry experts, established long-term cooperation with many universities, setting up a development platform with global influence. Skilled teams guarantee maximum professionalism through new apprenticeship, modern apprenticeship, school enterprise cooperation, overseas study, and other systematic training. Kaitai provides professional skills in the company. Humane Kaitai, magnificent future. Kaitai Group upholds the core values of safety, teamwork, innovation, respect, and growth. Effectively implements employee benefits and creates happiness in Kaitai. Good salary makes employees prosperous in life. Honest respect makes employees happy in work. Ideal building makes employees successful in career. Shoulder the national mission. Be brave in innovation. Dare to be the industry leader, and strive for specialization and strength in order to advance China's equipment manufacturing industry. Strong party building entails strong enterprise. Red Kaitai earnestly practices social responsibility, establishes the Kaitai Talent Education Fund and the company charity fund, and actively guides all staff to participate in social welfare. Undertake the mission to be the top rank in national industry. Burden the responsibility to be the reformer and innovator. Kaitai Group, with undoubted leadership and professional strength in metal surface cleaning industry, is launching a loudest voice that will shake the world.